Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to add Google reviews to your Shopify store. Let's get started. First, go to your Shopify dashboard, click on Add Apps, then scroll down and select Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type Google reviews and hit search. Next, look for the app from My Reputation and click Install. You'll be redirected to the dashboard again. Just click Install one more time to confirm. Once installed, it's time to set up the app. Start by connecting your Google Business account. After that, you can create a widget to display your reviews. You can customize the layout, font, colors, and choose which reviews you want to show. The best part is that this app can automatically display new reviews as they come in, so your Shopify store is always showing fresh customer feedback. Finally, add the widget to your store, and your Google reviews will appear instantly. This is a great way to build trust and credibility with your customers. And that's it. That's how you can easily add Google reviews to Shopify in just a few minutes. Thank you for watching.